Hi,
Hello.
we're here at Excel Summit South in Sydney,
Yes.
and we are in a room with a whole pile of Excel MVPs, which has been fantastic. So we've learned all about the new stuff that's coming out in Excel.
Yeah.
There's been some amazing things that we've learned, and this is David Benaim. He's come from
Hello.
Cambodia, especially
Yes, I
for the
have,
summit.
yeah.
Yeah.
And
So how have you found it?
I found it really, really great. It's just fascinating how there's a bunch of people that can come together and talk about Excel. And a lot of my friends back home thought I was crazy for going to an Excel conference.
Yeah.
But we get to meet all the Excel celebrities
Yeah.
who have, I follow some of their videos, and some
Yeah.
people have taken their online training course. And
Yeah.
Danielle and I actually met in this equivalent 4 years ago.
Yeah, we've kind of collaborated about stuff, so
Yeah.
it's great to sort of be, all in one room together and just learning all about this new stuff that's coming out with Excel. I mean, Excel has changed so much in recent years.
Yeah, for
Yeah,
sure.
yeah.
And I find that even Excel experts will often only use the same things that were there 20 years ago.
They do.
Whereas-
That's so true.
Whereas Excel is just, today it's twice as powerful. You've got like awesome game-changing features, Power Query, Power Pivot, dynamic
Yeah.
arrays, data types, to mention just a few of them. And they make Excel, in my opinion, twice as powerful as anyone knows that it could be. It's kind of the equivalent of having a brand new smartphone,
That's
but you're only using the tools that were there 20 years ago. You're only using the text message button and the phone button.
Yeah.
But really, all of the other stuff, you're like, that stuff's not for me.
yeah.
This is how I find a lot of people use Excel.
Yeah.
But there's so much potential. What do you think?
Absolutely, yeah. I think it's there's just we tend to sort of get stuck in the because it all still works the same way
Yeah.
that it worked 10 or 15 years ago. It's all still there, but it's just finding new ways of doing things and using the features that are new to us. So it's
Yeah.
just really important, I think, to open your mind and to learn what's out there.
Yeah.